Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before you start, can you hit that subscribe button below? It will take you 1 second and yeah, it'll help me out, so thank you very much. Okay, today we're going to create a list and then we're going to append some of those items to a new list. So let's start. Create the first one, calling it list 1 is equal to dog, cat, rat, and bird. Okay, so that's our first list. Oh, I've done something wrong there, have I? Bird. Oh. Yeah, bird. Okay, and our second list is going to be called new list. Okay, so that's empty. So we're going to be appending a few things from list 1 to new list. So I'm going to create a function call it list functions. Okay, so I'm going to call this one item 1 is equal to list 1 0. Okay, item 2 is equal to list 1 1. So this is the list 1 0 is the first item here, dog. Whoops, that one. And in list 1, the second item here is cat, because the index position is 0 1. Okay, so now we're going to add these items to the new list. So that's going to be new list dot append item 1. Okay, new list dot append item 2. And we're going to print some information for the user. Items from list 1 appended to new list. Okay, so that's the information we're going to print out to the user, and then of course we're going to print out the new list so we can see that it's worked. New list. Okay, and then we're going to print another message. Print. Okay, and a new line. Original list. So we're going to print out the original list, which was list 1. So we can compare both of them together. So this is list 1. Okay, and now all we've got to do is call the function list functions. Okay, and just save it. Click save. Now let's run it. Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your auntie. There you go. So here, items from list 1 appended to the new list are dog and cat, so that would be index position 0, index position 1, and the original list that we had before is there. So I hope you like that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.